Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making pumpkin bread. It is that time of the year. The pumpkin season is approaching rapidly. For this we have flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, baking powder, eggs, butter, ground nutmeg, ground cloves, and some canned pumpkin puree. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. So we are going to start with our mixing bowl. We are going to take 1.5 cups of butter, partially melted. I just threw it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. We're going to take 2 eggs. Take a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. We're going to go ahead and give this a quick mix. Half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cloves, teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups sugar. Go ahead and give this a quick mix. We're going to add in a cup of flour. Once we got that mixed in, we're going to add in another cup of flour for a total of 2 cups. I'm going to go ahead and get this very well incorporated. Once we get this mixed together, we're going to go ahead and grab our loaf pans. Now we got our loaf pans. And we want to split this about equally between the 2 loaf pans. Careful not to go over 3/4 of the way up the darn thing. Once we got an equal amount in both loaf pans, we're going to go ahead, let them level real quick. But now we're going to go ahead, we've preheated our oven to 325 degrees. We're going to throw these in there for at least an hour, about an hour to an hour 15, until you can stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's been an hour in the oven, stuck the toothpick in, came out clean. We're going to let these cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to dump them out on our cooling rack and let them cool completely. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it, pumpkin bread. It is pretty good warm, but for it to hold up the best, I'd let it cool off before cutting it up. But if you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.